Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity is cannot be verified. So guys, if you want to install the app and you are facing a problem, so guys, how can you fix it? So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, just simply open the settings and make sure that you have an active internet connection and there is not connected any of the VPN. After that, open Journal and then tap on software update and update your device to the latest version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update your device first and after that go back and after that scroll it below and here tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct and set automatically is turned on. After that, go back and then tap on language or region, tap on region and select your correct region and after that simply go back and here tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and then tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your network setting, check if the problem is fixed or not and after that you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, do this and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still exists, then you have to just simply open the settings again, scroll down and then tap on screen time, scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restriction and from here guys you have to just simply turn off this toggle from here. Now after turning it off this toggle, you have to just simply go back and after that guys you have to just simply install the app and after that guys this time you can easily install the app from your device. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So guys, hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.